In this video, we will learn about pelvic tilt, how to do it, why you want to know. You want to lie comfortably on your back and using just these muscles, your abdominal muscles, tilt your pubic bone towards your navel and your navel towards the floor. Keep your glutes relaxed. Don't be pushing with your legs. It's all right here. It should feel good. If it doesn't, don't do it. Inhale. The back naturally wants to unfurl. And then exhale. Engage these muscles again, shortening from here to here with an emphasis on taking your navel down, hence pelvic tilt, tilting the pelvic bowl. And an inhale. And an exhale. Due to the nature of this muscle, we want to hold it for about 5 seconds down here. Check yourself that these guys are relaxed. You're not pushing with your legs, and your legs are staying parallel. Ideally, this is all relaxed too. So I want you to maintain a pelvic tilt as you start to learn leg slides.